Hello student, how are you? In our last lecture we had discussed about the double displacement reaction with a different type of example. Today in this lecture we will study about the oxidation reduction reaction. Oxidation reduction reaction. First we will discuss about the oxidation reaction. Then oxidation reaction is a type of reaction which involve the addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Listen, oxidation reaction is a type of reaction which involve the addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen is known as oxidation reaction. The example of oxidation reaction is we can understand in two ways. First, by the addition of oxygen, and in second we will see removal of hydrogen. In oxidation reaction, both phenomena take place. First, either addition of oxygen take place or removal of hydrogen take place. So in this way, first we will see the example of addition of oxygen and how the oxidation take place by the addition of oxygen. First we will see about the addition of oxygen. The addition of oxygen involve the most common example is burning of carbon. Burning of carbon. Whenever carbon burns, then it take place only in presence of oxygen. Means when carbon comes in contact with oxygen while the burning process, then it forms compound CO2. Means carbon dioxide. So this is the addition of carbon, because carbon comes in contact with oxygen, then it forms the CO2. Means oxidation of carbon here take place in the burning of carbon. The next example is burning of sulfur, and sulfur comes in contact with oxygen because oxygen supports the burning process. When sulfur comes in contact with oxygen, then it forms the compound known as SO2, sulfur dioxide. Means in this reaction, sulfur comes in contact with oxygen, means oxidation of sulfur take place. Then burning of phosphorus also. When phosphorus comes in contact with oxygen, then it forms phosphorus oxide. Means here oxidation of phosphorus take place. Next, burning of magnesium. When magnesium comes in contact with oxygen, then it forms magnesium oxide. Because means magnesium, since magnesium comes in contact with oxygen, means oxidation of magnesium take place in this reaction. Next in this category, in oxidation, one most common example is which we can look in our environment, that is the rusting of iron. Because whenever rusting take place of iron, then iron comes in contact with oxygen. Like when 4 iron comes in contact with oxygen, in presence of certain water vapor. X means some amount of water vapor. Then it forms this oxidized form of iron, oxidized form of iron, and this is oxidation of iron because iron comes in contact with oxygen and form the rust in presence of water vapor. So this is the most common example of oxidation process in our daily life. This is known as hydrated ferrous oxide, means this is the rust. This is the rust, and it is brownish red in color. Brownish red color. So this is the example of addition of oxygen in our oxidation process. Here further in this way we will see the two more type of chemical reaction. One is known as exothermic chemical reaction. The second one is known as endothermic chemical reaction. This is the two special type of chemical reaction. Exothermic chemical reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which for the formation of product heat is evolved outside. Endothermic chemical reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which for the formation of product heat is required. That is endothermic reaction, that is exothermic chemical reaction. Exothermic means for the formation of product from the reactant heat is evolved outside, and in endothermic chemical reaction for the formation of product from the reactant heat is required in that reaction. This is the two special type of chemical reaction. So here we are able to see the oxidation reaction, and in this way we see the two special type of chemical reaction, that is the exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. Now second category in this oxidation reduction reaction, first we see the addition of oxygen in oxidation reaction. Second, we will see the removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen is also a type of oxidation reaction. The example of this type of reaction we will see here. First, whenever hydrogen sulfide comes in contact with bromine, and comes in contact with bromine, then it forms hydrogen bromide plus sulfur. Removal of hydrogen take place in this reaction. Removal of hydrogen take place in this reaction. You can see that the hydrogen in hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen is removed in presence of bromine. Hydrogen is removed and only sulfur is rest in the product. That's why removal of hydrogen take place in hydrogen from the hydrogen sulfide. It means oxidation of hydrogen sulfide take place. Just here oxygen is added in carbon, means oxidation of carbon take place. In this, removal of hydrogen take place from this compound. It means oxidation of hydrogen sulfide take place. One more example we will see. When hydrogen chloride comes in contact with manganese oxide, comes in contact with manganese oxide. Then it forms magnesium chloride plus water plus chlorine. Magnesium chloride plus water plus magnesium chloride plus water plus chlorine. Here, in presence of magnesium oxide, the removal of hydrogen from hydrochloric acid take place. The removal of hydrogen from HCl take place. It means the oxidation of hydrochloric acid take place. Here hydrogen is removed means oxidation of H2S. Here hydrogen is removed from HCl means oxidation of hydrochloric acid take place. So in this lecture we are able to understand that what is the oxidation reaction. The oxidation reaction, first by addition of oxygen we can understand. The second, by the removal of hydrogen we can understand how the oxidation take place, and we also understand that rusting of iron is also a type of oxidation reaction. Further, in our next lecture we will see the reduction reaction. So student, in our next lecture we will understand that what is the reduction reaction, and how by the use of different type of example we will able to understand that just like oxidation how the reduction reaction take place. Thank you.